and everyone should follow updates from verified official sources. A $2 million bond has been set for Randy Hanning following his arraignment Monday and the death of Ethan Vernon. Hanning appeared before Meigs County County Court of Common Pleas Judge Linda R. Warner on July 6th. Hanning was indicted on July 1st on 11 counts. Those include arson, gross abuse of a corpse, and murder. The victim, Ethan Vernon, was last seen the night of December 11th, 2025. According to investigators, Vernon was found dead in a burnt truck on Hemlock Grove Road in Bedford Township the next day. Sarah Hanning is scheduled for arraignment tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. in the Meigs County Court of Common Pleas in connection with Vernon's death. The hearing is open to the public. Hanning was indicted on 49 total counts. The charges including arson, gross abuse of a corpse, and 1 count of murder. Her co-defendant is Randy Hanning, who we were just talking about. Beverly Hanning has not yet been scheduled for arraignment. Still ahead, Black